Well, we've already got folks who are waiting to talk with you, and we are going to start with Beverly, who is over in West End. Good evening to you, Beverly. How are you this evening?
I'm good. I'm good. How about you all?
We are
Tonight?
great. We are great. We are thankful for your call. We're here to help. Go right ahead, if you will.
Thank you.
You can go ahead with your question.
Okay, I have a question. I had a hip replacement about 4 years ago, and I went to this doctor, kept telling him something wasn't right. He did tests and said there wasn't nothing wrong. Okay, about a year ago, I went to another doctor, and he saw the problem that I was having in my hip. So I decided to go ahead and have the second hip replacement a month ago. And I wanted to know, do I have a case against the first doctor?
So let me make sure I'm clear, Beverly. So you went to the first doctor and you were telling him there was something wrong with your second hip, and he said he couldn't see it? Is that correct?
No, my first hip replacement.
Okay. And so has your second doctor seen something wrong with that first hip replacement?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so probably not, Beverly, and the reason for that is because I think you said it had been 4 years since the first hip replacement.
That's
So that would be when the alleged malpractice, if we're talking about filing something against your doctor who actually, or your surgeon who actually replaced the hip. It would be 4 years, 2 years from the date of the alleged malpractice, and then 6 months, okay, if you discovered it, okay, shortly thereafter, like after 2 years, let's say after 2 years and 6 months, you discovered that there was a problem with your hip. That's the first time you had any reason to know that there was any malpractice. Well, under the best case scenario, you've got 6 months to file a lawsuit. So my guess is, and I've seen this happen a number of times, I've seen your situation a number of times, where somebody, a length of time has gone by and they said, wait a minute, this may have been done improperly. And unfortunately, the laws are very strict with regard to how much time you have after an alleged incident, especially malpractice. But generally, in the state of Alabama, you have 2 years from the date of any event to file something in court. And if you don't, your rights are likely going to be lost forever.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, Beverly, we obviously hate to hear that because it sounds like it's truly affected your life. But appreciate you calling in, and we wish you the very best with that second hip replacement, and certainly pray that you do not have a similar situation this time around. Certainly wish you a good operation and a speedy recovery.
Yeah, very
Thank you
sorry
for
for that.
calling. Thank you for watching.